Welcome back. This is part 6. Let's continue the project. So today if we check our project and if I add a component, the text and image, and click on this settings button, we see this style form. But now this style form is same for all the components. So if it is a text component, we have same option. If it is an image component, we have the same options. Now we will change it based on the component type. We will change these options. So let's go to the function. So this is the function which insert this style form into the DOM, and we call it here. When we click on the settings button, we call this get dynamic CSS form UI. Now we need to update it. So I will define the one object in here. I will call it form elements. And inside it we have these options: font size, font color, width, height. So we have font size, and font size is this HTML. So I will just cut it from here. We don't need it here, and we'll put it here. Next we have font color. This is font color. Next we have width, then we have height, next we have background color, I'll define all these variables and then we'll add the HTML. Then we have button text, next we have padding, then border radius. So padding, and then we have border radius. Next we have placeholder text, and there is one more option which is missing. So if I click on this image, we need a input where we can add the image URL, and that will change this image if we want to change this image to something else. So for that we'll need image URL. Now let's go to this HTML. We will remove these comments we don't need. So this is width. We take it from here, move it here. Next we have height. Next we have background color and button text. So first take the background color. Next we have button text, padding, this is border radius. Next we have placeholder text, and for the image URL I have prepared HTML. I will just use it. So I will just take the HTML for it and we'll remove this. Now we have this apply CSS button which is here. We don't need it because when we change the any value in this form, it will, like, it is getting reflected to this component. So we don't need it. We'll just remove it. Now we have defined all these values here. We'll use it. So now I will define few more things. So we have default options. Now default options, like those options which we'll need for almost every component, like height, width, border radius, and padding. So we'll add into the default options. So let's call form elements dot it is, what is it, height, width. Okay, so it's height, then we have from elements dot width. Next we have from elements dot border radius. Next we can say the padding. Dot padding. We can add background color as well from elements dot background. So these are the default options. Now we'll define option for each component. So we have this text component. So this is the text options, and text option will have all these default options. So if I say default options, and with that I need font size and font color. From elements dot font color. Okay, now if we come in here, and this function will take a parameter, we can say target type. So based on the settings we will get the target type. We say target type. So we can add a condition in here. Target type equals to text, then we will return text option, else we return the empty string. Now same if we have, let's say, what else we have? We have form text or button. Okay, for now let's just test it for button text. If I save it and add a component text settings. Okay, let's check what we have here. Okay, we don't have any error, which is fine. Okay, let's check this one. Style form, it does not have anything inside it. So these text, okay, let's check the component type. When we click on this, what is the component type? If I click on this is settings, which is fine. Wait a minute, let's check. Okay, we are not passing this value from here. So if we pass it here, target type, which is here, we are getting the target type. So now if we test it, text settings, you see we have the height, width, border radius, padding, background, font size and font color. Now let's just test it if it's working or not. 24 pixel, yeah, it's working. Font color, background color, yeah, it's working fine. So now let's add same options for other components. So if I go to the utils again, these are the text options. Next we have, let me check what I have. So we can add few more properties. So I have already prepared a list of properties. I can just edit here because it is the same thing that I have defined here. So if I come in here, edit here. So the font options, that which is for the text component, these are font options, font color and font size. Background, these are the button options. If type is button, we have the image options, we have form text options, and we have the section option, we have the text options. All these options are here. Now if I save it, add a section, let's say the text and the image. Now if I click on the text, we okay we did not, okay, this is a problem. So we are returning form UI, and let's add it again, text, image. So if I click on image, we have padding, width, background color, and we are getting two undefined. So let's check for these two options. Okay, I think these options are form element. Let me grab the list again. And if I check it here now, so image, it gets the image URL, background color, border radius, padding 10 pixel, background color, let's say the red, and yeah, I think it's working just fine. And if we add a different component, let's say the button, this is the button, and we have different options. So button text is here, we have font size, background color, all these options are here. So now what we did, we added a different options for different components. Yeah, so this is it in this video. If you like the video, you can like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other project that you want me to cover, you can just add into the comment section and I will try to cover that.